In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Alibaba. Let's start by heading to Alibaba.com and signing into your account. If you don't have one yet, create it first so you can message sellers and place protected orders. Here's an important bit of context before you begin. PayPal is not a default checkout method on Alibaba. Each supplier decides which payment methods they accept, so your goal is to find a supplier who can enable PayPal on your order through Alibaba's system. Browse for the product you want and review the listing carefully. Check the specifications, minimum order quantity, price range, and shipping options. When you found a product that fits your needs, open its page and make sure any variations like size or color are available. This will help the supplier set up your order correctly later. Next, click the Contact Supplier button on the product page. This opens Alibaba's messaging tool, which is the safest place to coordinate the order. In your first message, keep it clear and simple. Ask this exact question: do you accept PayPal payment through Alibaba? That wording matters. You're confirming they can enable PayPal inside Alibaba's trade assurance workflow, not send you a direct PayPal invoice. Paying within Alibaba keeps your order covered by trade assurance, so your money and shipment have platform-backed protection. After typing your question, send your inquiry. To speed things up, you can include helpful details like your target quantity, specs, delivery address or port, and any deadlines. That information makes it easier for the supplier to draft a trade assurance order and switch on PayPal for your checkout. If the supplier confirms they accept PayPal through Alibaba, they will enable PayPal on the trade assurance order and send you an official Alibaba payment link. When you receive it, double check that the link takes you to an Alibaba order page showing your product, quantity, price, shipping terms, and trade assurance. At checkout, you should see PayPal listed as a payment option. Only pay through that official page. Avoid off-platform requests such as paying to an email address or a third-party link because those won't be protected. Before you pay, make sure your PayPal account is verified, your billing details are correct, and you understand any currency conversion or transaction fees. Keep your Alibaba messaging and receipts for your records. That's it. By confirming PayPal support first and paying through the trade assurance link, you get the convenience of PayPal with Alibaba's built-in protection.